I had a very interesting experience ang Biyernes Santo diri sa Guatemala. Nagkadto kami sa town and ang ilang nga procession actually nag-start sang 10 in the morning. So, as early as that, pasulod kami sa town is yes, may mga Stations of the Cross, ang very very Catholic gid nga feeling mo sa Pilipinas ka lang, but then gina-integrate nila ang ilang nga tradition when it comes to asking blessings for their mga prutas and mga vegetables. So it's kind of like that. And then kanami ilang kabisan ng mga kabataan, they still practice the tradition and part gid sila ya sang sang ilang nga ritual kagapon. Asang Saturday, asang Friday gali. And then very nice lang thinking na how Roman Catholics and other religions actually really shaped the country. So, sa 1800s, Protestants mostly ang religion sa mga tao di sa Guatemala. And of course, yes, the traditional Mayan traditions. And then later on, 1900s, nag-abot ang Roman Catholic, the Catholicism dire sa Guatemala, and as up to date, there's 45% Roman Catholic and 45% other religions. Other religions compromises the Protestants, mga atheists, animalists, ang traditional naton nga Mayan heritage, no. So I also mentioned nga ang iban sa ila is Roman Catholic, but they are practicing Mayan tradition. And I think for me, what I've always believed that your faith is not determined, or your faith actually is not determined by your religion. You can have different religions, but if you have faith, even if different God, or you know that there is God up there, as long as nga wala ka lang natapakan ng ibang nga tao, wala ka may ginahimo nga malain, I think that's the most important thing sa as a human person. So I'm gonna share you some videos kanami lang gid sa experience, and yeah,